Do I think the spring is necessary? Now, before I answer that, let's get to the real question. Is the spring necessary to have a fully functional suspension? Hell no, not with bags. But if I was just going for functionality, would I have an in-your-face automatic sun visor? Or skeleton hands that hold the headlights? Or wings that light up? Or a Squidward nose grill? Or an eyeball in one of the lenses? Or glass packs in my headers? So my answer is hell yes. When this suspension is done, it's going to be so ornate with clockwork-like, steampunkish stuff, it'll blow your mind. Still going to be a truck. Just watch.